Alright guys, welcome back to everybody. Now we're gonna be, trading, basically trading on the simulator and see how it goes. Alright, let's jump into it. Okay, so you have this simulation from the 1st of June 2018. Let's run it. To run the simulation you have to click here, okay? As you can see, you have the market moving up and down, but you can actually improve the speed of the market. Okay, so I want to run it faster, which is the whole point where the simulator is a good tool, is you can run time back and forth and speed it up. So I will come here and go from 1 tick second all the way to 21. This is the one I like. Alright, so what you see now is the 15 minutes chart is moving right there. You have this 15 minutes candles, the 1 hour candle, and also the 4-hour candle. And the time is running right there. You can see it's a little bit after midnight. So in about 2 minutes you're gonna have this candle was gonna be closing and open a new one. Let's see it together. Alright, very sweet. So we've been having a 15-minute simulation within few seconds. So let's see how you can make a trade right there. Let's say I want to put a sell trade. Okay, this is just for your understanding, so I'm not putting a lot of energy to make some money, but I just want to show you guys how you can trade on the simulator. Let's say I'm gonna put a sell, and I'm gonna run a sell from here. Let's say my stop is gonna be right there. Can you see the 30 is 30 micropipes, so 3 pipes. I'm gonna have a stop loss which is 3 pipes, and let's say I'm gonna make a take profit which is here 6 pipe. So all I have to do is come here and write stop loss 3 pipes and take profit 6 pipes, and the simulator is gonna be calculating automatically a risk of 2% and determine which is this lot size for this actual trade. So I'm gonna be pressing sell and unpause the time. Okay, hope it's easy to understand. Let's see how the trade goes. What you can see right now is I'm already losing because you have the spread commission, so I'm already minus $4. So my equity is not 2Ks no more. It's not $2,000, but it's $2,000 minus $4, which is 1996, which makes sense. So I'm gonna run the simulator now and see how it goes. Anytime you can pause the simulator, as you can see. Okay. So now I did pause the simulator. What I can see is the market moved a little bit down, about let's say a little bit less than 1 pipe. But anyway, actually I'm already in profit, which is a small profit yet, but I'm $5 profit, which makes 2005 USD, which makes about even less than 1%. But let's run the trade. Oh wow, that's good. Stop. Alright, I'm good. I'm gonna be closing the trade right here. I already made 25 USD, which is good for one trade, which is even better, is 1.27% in one trade. So I can be closing the trade, and for your information, you can see right there, that this lot size is a sell for 1.45 lot. This is actually my 2% risk on a 2K's account. So I can close my account right now. I'm sorry, I can close my trade right now, and I will come to this tool right there and click close last. Good. You can see the trade has been opened here and closed here. I made about 2 pipes, which is fine, just fine. All right. All right, let's run the simulator and see if there is another opportunity. Okay, if I'm willing to move to the next bar, I can also click here and move the market all the way to the next bar. So right now I'm in 15 minutes and I want to move to the next bar. So I click here. Can you see? All right, I want to move some more. Right there. Up, stop. Let's see if there is another opportunity for trading. Sweet. Okay, I feel like taking a buy right now. So I'll be keeping my risk to 2% and trade a buy. But this time, let's say I'm gonna put my stop loss right there at 8 pipes. A stop loss is gonna be 8 pipes, and my take profit is gonna be, let's say, 5 pipes. I'm gonna run a buy trade, and because my risk is different from my first trade, now you have automatically another lot size, which is 0.55 lot size. So I'm gonna be pressing the play and let's see. I'm in profit right now. Sweet. One more trade. One. Sweet. Very, very sweet. So what happened here? What happened is I put an order for a buy from here all the way here. So I made 5 pipes and I also made I don't know, about $40 or something like this. Let's see. You can also access the historical data for your last trades right there. Okay, so when you press here trades, you have this window and you have history. Those are the 2 trades I've made already. So this is me opening a sell, this is me closing the sell, this is me opening a buy, this is me closing the buy, and this is how much money I made. Here in the first trade I made $25, and the second trade I also made $25. So which is the total of $50 and 55 or something like this, which is not bad at all. Okay, that's it. Now you know how to put an order depending on the risk. If you want to put an order and risking an amount of money, you come here, and if you already know your lot size, all you have to do is come here, put your lot size, and then put your buy or your sell depending on your strategy and your trading. Alright guys, you can click on the link below to purchase this simulator. If you have any additional questions, please let me know, and thanks a lot and see you in the next video. Peace.